this is fun with sticking with us. We have a new subscription to the market. I'm very excited to get this one open. If you've never been here before, welcome. Thanks for coming by. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We also do plan with me's and unboxings, as you see here. Again, this is completely new to the market, and I opened the side here a little bit, and then I realized there was some tissue, so I was like, well, be careful. I'll show that part. All right. Wow. I wasn't expecting this at all. I have a letter with my name on it. Wow. And it's a cute little stationery. This subscription is called the Sisterhood subscription box. Oh wow, that's so nice. If you have a friend that is more like a sister, share this code with her so you both enjoy $5 off your next box. Oh wow, that's so nice. And it legit is written by, I mean, this is handwritten. Wow. And it says here, Fawn, wow, thank you so much for your order. We hope you enjoy your amazing products this month. Take time to relax and practice self-love and personal growth. You deserve it. Don't forget your other perks in the Sisterhood private Facebook page. See you there. Christy and Michelle. Oh, that is so nice. All right, and then you get 2 boxes. So I received a box and then a book. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Get that out of the way. Author of the national bestseller, The Badass Body Diet, Christmas Abbott, with Maggie Greenwood Robinson, The Badass Life. 30 amazing days to a lifetime of great habits, mind, body, and spirit. Wow. This is a heavy-duty book, especially to get in a subscription box. It literally does go through the days too. Nice. You have to be a beginner before you could be anything else. It's true. Day 21, declutter your life. Day 22, change the scenery. Day 28, take control of roller coaster emotions. Nice. Oh, this is exciting. And it comes with challenges as well. Wow, this is a really great book. All right, to start now with the subscription. Again, Sisterhood subscription box. And it says hashtag we are Sisterhood. Sisterhood's monthly guide. Sisterhood's monthly guide. Get the most out of your subscription box and this month's theme by following this guide as you journey through growth, empowerment, and success. This box theme, happiness is a habit. What's inside? A motivational multivitamin, self-care, personal growth, treats, and more. And then a monthly challenge. Unbox like a boss. 1, snap a picture. 2, use the guide to discover this month's personal growth challenge. And then 3, dive in and enjoy your products. For more personal growth challenges, visit the Sisterhood Community private Facebook group. And I didn't want to go into detail on what it has here because I do want to go into this, but the personal growth is the book. And again, it comes with a multivitamin, and then the self-care and treats and more. We will see what is inside. And it's packaged so cute. Alright, like mentioned, it comes with multivitamins. Well, hello, Glow Strawberry Multivitamin. And this is a 60 count, but you take 2 a day. So you get multivitamins. They're little gummy bears. At least they look like, yeah, little gummy bears. And you get a treat, which is Boom Chicka Pop. Sweet and salty kettle corn, perfect for fall as well. Gluten-free. Nice. Ice Queen. Purifying gentle peel-off face mask. Infused with eucalyptus, peppermint, and mineral-rich volcanic waters. I love the birch look too. It's really pretty. That's exciting. I'll try that this weekend. And oh, nice. Again for fall, Starbucks via instant pumpkin spice latte. And you get 2 of them. This is exciting. And then you get something that is handmade. Oops. I'll get this out of the way. Just making a big mess. I apologize, there's another plane going by. Okay, now that the plane has gone by, handmade. Oh, I see. And there are 2 of them. It's like a burst of fall little coaster. Yeah. Yeah, so these like sunflower or sunburst coasters. Definitely that's something that wasn't advertised in there. It was like a little freebie item also. It's interesting. I would never have expected to get something like this, but I feel that some things that are mainstream, and then we got some new fresh things, and we got something completely unexpected. But it's perfect for fall. It's nice. And put my coffee down with my pumpkin spice latte flavor. Okay, well that is the subscription box for Sisterhood. So far, so good. I mean, this is their first box, and I'm pleasantly surprised how thoughtful it was and how different and complex it is. So looking forward to reading about their monthly challenge and how that would work and go forward, and to check out their Facebook as well. So thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. If you're not subscribed again, please do give us a thumbs up and you can see more unboxings. Bye.